小队，讲话，讲话，
讲话讲什么话？
鼓励人家出来晒晒。
Okay. So the time now is 4 p.m. Okay. Not many people are doing, their part in managing yourself and doing exercises and stuff.
Come on, princess.
Okay. So here we are, at 4 p.m. in the afternoon, telling you guys that, come on, get up from your chair right now, do some simple stretches for 2 to 3 minutes. This is going to help you to increase your daily activities, okay? If you don't have time like us to do exercise, to spend 1 hour in the park enjoying yourself, don't worry. Simple stretches, get yourself started. It's very, very important. Okay?
到尾浪啊！
Yes, of course. Alright. So Mr. P right here is going to carry on holding the camera while I speak to you guys.
I need a GoPro camera.
Okay? So nothing is easy from the start. What you need to do is to do it slowly, step by step. Doing it alone, you might not have the determination. Get along with a friend.
Yeah, do it
Get
me.
yourself a community.
Do it
Get
me.
yourself a coach to guide you along. Okay?
后尾，
Yeah, so my name is Coach Eugene. Yep. So if you need any assistance, feel free to call me. Bye.
喂，